Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we got this shoulder and neck massager, which is supposedly bring you some pain relief and help you out if you don't have someone around to massage you. So I'm kind of excited to see what this is all about. This is the machine. It comes in this package here. Let's get that out of there. So this is what it looks like. Pretty interesting. It definitely looks different than other massaging machines I've seen before, because it has 4 arms in different sizes and shapes. So that's gonna be interesting to see what they do. I assume some of them will rotate and some will like grab you, but that's just my assumption. Otherwise, here that's kind of nice. You can unzip it and take that off and clean that in case it is getting dirty or nasty. So that's a plus. Also, the whole thing is, yeah, you're able to remove. So that's kind of exciting too. And then on the other side, just plain white leather-ish. And then there's the power button. Apparently, oh yeah, it is charged. Okay, you don't even need to have it on a power source. And here you can already see, like I said, some is rotating, and the bottom one is grabbing and pulling. So it is simulating massage quite well, I would think. Also, there's a heat pad. You can see it's glowing and showing us what it does. Yeah, it's definitely warming up. And here you can see how everything is being moved. Kind of strong, to be honest, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. Depending how bad your pain is, I wouldn't think it would hurt you in the back anyway. You could just kind of snip that on, and then it will stick in place. So, well, pretty handy. And also, there's these little holes here and the or loops and the machine itself, where you can throw your arms through and then just rest them, and the whole machine is just getting pressed against your back, and you are gonna have a massage. Let's see. Yep, works quite well. You don't see anything. I'm just trying that myself right now. It's decent. Yep, nothing to complain here. So, yeah, I don't know. Feels good. Not gonna lie. This, especially this bottom piece, not the rotating ones, but the grabbing one, felt really relieving. And then when you're done, you just turn it off. Then you can recharge it and get it ready for your next session. Let's try if it works for an arm too. Probably, even though that's not what it's meant for, obviously, because it's more for neck purpose. But this also feels kind of good. I won't lie to you guys, and yeah, um, I would say that's it for today's video, and I will see you the next time, and I'm out.